Hey guys, welcome back to another decluttering vlog. It's kind of early in the morning, it's around 7 o'clock. Just washed my hair, so that's why it's a little wet. Got Gallifrey here, and we are going to be tackling my desk drawers. So I use an Alex drawer system that's next to my desk to organize all of my papers, sticky notes, all that stuff that I use on a regular basis. So we're gonna go through that, declutter it, see what's in there. It's kind of a mess. I haven't really changed anything before this video, so we're gonna see it fresh. Bottoms up, so this is the bottom drawer where I keep all of my letter writing supplies. I have my address labels, I have a bunch of stamps. So I think I'm gonna take everything out, see what I have, and then reorganize. Also, there's just like a box of tissues over here, some sort of bill related thing, and a notebook, just chilling over here in this no man's land. So with everything out, now I can decide what I want to put back in. I have this box of Disney postcards. There are so many in here. I need to send some postcards to people. So maybe I'll do a round of just like check-in postcards. So I have this box. So I'll just put that back here. These drawers are really deep, so I tend to forget about things that are farther back there, so I'm hoping that I can rearrange this in a way that it's easier to see things. Then I have this box set of Erin Condren stationery for my blog. So I haven't really used too much of this. So I think I want to use this box to store stamps and postage stamps and return labels. So I'm going to put this up in my card organizer so that I can have them close by. But yeah, they say, "Oh, hello, living" on them. I wish there was like a rule about stamps and sizes of stamps, because I have so many different sizes that it's like hard to organize. These are all of my international stamps. I used to send a lot more international mail than I do now. I guess I could just rip it. It has like perforations, but we're in this cutting situation now. I have my home and store address labels in here, and so that is good to go. This is where I keep all of my wax seals, that's the word. So I have all of my wax and my lighters and my seals in here, so I'm happy with that arrangement. I have a set of brush lettering pens that I'm going to store somewhere else because I never think about them down here. A stack of just random white envelopes that I use for bills. And then I'm going to put my checkbook on top of it. I got this Vera Bradley checkbook cover when I first got checks. I forget how old I was, but I've kept that forever. So I have this in this drawer. I have no idea why it's in here, but my friend Lauren, who is now a doctor, so Dr. Lauren Burton, wrote this for me and doodled it for me. So funny. I need to put this somewhere else. A couple more just Mr. and Mrs. Benda cards from our wedding. I use these as our thank yous. Just 2 left, almost 5 years later. I have these 2 sheets of Wonton and a Million Animal Crossing stickers that I was going to send along to a friend, so I really need to just write her a letter already. I have this bag of laser cut Nook earrings and Black Lives Matter fists. These do not belong in here at all. And some baker's twine. I don't know. This is where I keep all of my like random stickers that I don't want to get rid of yet, but I'm kind of not using them, or they're kind of on the way out. So they're kind of in a holding pattern here. So maybe I can put them in this bin that I got from the other drawer. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is a random planner box, and inside of it are my adhesive pockets and like rings and coil clips and stuff. I'm actually quite happy with this, so I'm going to leave that here. And then I have some file folders and some folders. So I'm actually really surprised at how not disorganized this drawer is. I expected something a lot worse. All right, this one is where I put all of the cards or things for upcoming subscriptions that I want to take photos of. So like this Yoda pen is for an upcoming sticker subscription, as well as this like rainbow keychain, and I have some packaging for enamel pins in this little bin. These are for like a scratch off discount, so I think I might store these somewhere else or use them in a sale. They don't really belong in here. So I have all of these cards that I use for different photos and stuff. So I think I just need to save them because I want to work on a wholesale catalog, so I need the cards, but they're kind of just everywhere, so they don't need to be such a complete mess. This was my like memory planner that I was using. It's not a planner, it's a notebook where I would put in like scraps of different like trips and stuff. It kind of fell off when COVID hit, but I think I want to store this somewhere else. I don't really think about it in here. And then I have this bag that I think I was storing my headphones in. So maybe I'll put this in my closet for travel. Boom, look at it. These are basically gonna be empty when I'm done. All right, this drawer, a little messier. Maybe we'll transfer some of this stuff down. So this, in my mind, was like a sticker notepad section with like wipes. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me either. I have so many of these wipes. What am I doing with these? I don't even know why I have so many. I have these rulers. Maybe I'll put them in like a D-stash bin if D-stashes ever come back. All right, so this is my sticker book for my Cultivate What Matters. Haven't really been using it. I think I've been only using like the first couple of pages. So maybe I'll just take those pages out and then put this in the D-stash as well. Eventually, one day, there will be planner meetups again, and I am very excited for that day. So yeah, these are the 2 pages that I find that I've been using. So I'm gonna put that in my sticker collection. So I have this like stack on top of my desk of things I need to put away and whatnot. So over here are my like list notepads. I love these. I use these a lot, and my sticky note Hello Kitty set. So I'll keep those there. This, I think I might put in that bin of stickers. I love these. I use these so much. So this is actually a backup pack. So I'm going to put that in the bin down below. And then I have some larger sheets of paper on top of this like sketch pad thing, which is actually empty. It was a sample for a subscription box product I was considering, but I didn't end up getting it. So back here are my Sukamu little sticker books. So I love these, but I never remember that they're back here. I have some Hello Kitty stickers and my very small Dury sticker collection. Remember when I had like a million of them, and now I just have 4 or 5. So I think I'm happy with that stuff back there. Let's just put my pile of wipes back here. One day I'll need them. Let's just hide that. I can actually sit for this one. The last drawer is probably the craziest. Oh boy. Okay. How do I think I just need to tidy. I think that's the trick. Just tidy it. So I have like a hand lotion, squishy, these stickers for a client. They were doing like a little promotion. This cute little photo of my dad as a kid. That doesn't belong in here, but it's cute. So over here is my like notepad sticky note bin, and where I keep my glasses wipe, and apparently a lipstick. So I want to arrange these by size so I know what I have in here so I can get the most out of it, because there's a lot of options in here. I have some notes I need to look over. Longer sticky note. Okay, here we go. I think the trick is, you know, to just use them so there isn't such a huge mess. Like I have just notes in here. So I'm throwing those into a little bin that I keep on the side of my desk for checks or bills or things that I need to look at and take care of, that I do about once a week. Okay, that looks better. So I also have this bin full of pens that I just never look for. So I'm going to save the Sharpie pens that I really like, but then put these maybe in our like kitchen drawers where we keep this kind of stuff, so they're out of the way. And then my washi tape bin is supposed to be in here. I just have a couple of rolls. I have no idea where that is. I need to go find that. Doesn't mean I can't use this bin though. Where should I even put it? I don't know. That's another thing. I feel like just as postage stamps don't have a set size, these containers never have a set size. So you always have this like awkward gap. So we'll figure that out. This is an extra yellow mild liner. I already have a yellow, so I need to find somewhere to put that. This is an Erin Condren code. Probably won't use it. So if anybody wants to grab it, feel free to screenshot this and grab the code and leave a comment saying that you have, because I'm gonna get rid of this. So there you go. This Tech Taco holds like cords and whatnot. I just don't have anything in them. So maybe I'll put this in my travel section with that bag for my headphones. I have a couple of ramen earrings that I need to put in my jewelry drawer, as well as this ring necklace, this circle necklace I always wear that needs to go back into my jewelry. Then I have a Glossier stretch concealer and 2 lipsticks. So if I'm looking kind of rough on a video call, I have these here just in case. So definitely gonna leave those there, and then move the glasses wipe there. Oh, I have a second one that's just laying around. Over in this farthest section is some like filming supplies. So maybe I will use this bin to hold like my tripods and stuff. No, I think it'll be too small. So I have this like mount as well. Well, it kind of works. I feel like I'll use this more than I'll use these bins. So maybe I'll do this. Another ruler. These just are hidden everywhere. So that kind of smushes things a little bit, but I think I'm okay with it. So this bin is where I keep all of our SD cards. This is the button for my camera if I'm doing like farther away photography. I have a keychain that I need to fix of 1 ton in a million, so I will fix that. Don't know why this clip is in here, and the rest are just flash drives and SD cards. So we'll be keeping that, just maybe tucked up over here. Weird spaces, hate it. This bin has all of my Crafted Van paper clips, like bookmarks. I had a phase where I was like obsessed with them. Right now I haven't really been using them, so should I put them somewhere else? What do you think? What should I do with these? And then I have a set of these compliment cards that I will put with little gifts. There's like keychain rings in here too. What a mess, Kayla, what a mess. Let me just put them here in this little awkward space. Then I have a oh hello sticker. I have 1 sticker left. Put my squishy back. You know, in times I need a good squish. So there you guys go, a quick and simple drawer clean with me declutter. I hope this inspires you guys to go through your desk drawers, declutter some things, figure out what is going on in there, find new homes. I have like a pile of things I need to relocate, but I hope you enjoyed this video and are enjoying this declutter series. I want to tackle my closet next, maybe, I'm not sure. Or these drawers behind me, this cabinet behind me will be on the list as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.